Good evening, friends. Um, it may be talking over the ICT in schools and the impact of the ICT on the school. It may be a last-minute addition, actually, Seema told me in the end. So I will be talking to you without using any ICT device other than this microphone. Well, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, as Madam has already said, we are running more than 1,000 Kendriya Vidyalaya all across the country. It is one of the most successful running government institutions which are providing quality education on a very low price or a very affordable price, we can say. As far as ICT is concerned, the previous speakers have already enlightened the gathering that how ICT can make the difference in the life of the children. I would like to quote once again Madam Anjum Babu Khan, who has presented a scientific research and very deep work of research. She has highlighted that how our mind responds to intervention through ICT. For me, if we take ICT as a part of the education, so if I have to say why ICT, I would like to say that it is not so that ICT is, before ICT there were no teaching taking place. There were wonderful teachers, there were wonderful students, they were learning, giving good results, and we still remember those days when people were teaching without any ICT. But it is not about the results, it's not about the learning, whether it's taking place or not. It's all about the experience of the child in the classroom. It is all about the experience of the teacher in the school, where ICT is making a big impact. As everyone has already accepted, so no more further elaboration on that whether it's a CC result compilation, whether it is presenting the complicated thing in a simpler manner, teacher has not to struggle. There are things which he can carry with his device, can put on the screen. Child has not to struggle with the heavily, he has to visualize. If he has to visualize the pump is, the heart is working like a pump, so he may think of some different kind of the pump. He can see on the screen what is happening. So lot of things have been made simpler by the use of the ICT, and that is how, as other schools are also doing, Kendriya Vidyalaya also made lot of attempt in this field. So coming to that, when we are all agreed already that why ICT should be there, so I would like to make that how KVS has taken a lead in making ICT in our classrooms. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has got into it through using e-classrooms. Our e-classroom, every school is having at least one e-classroom throughout the India. 1,000 e-classroom at least we are having at present. We are having interactive devices there. We are having assessment pads with the children. Instant assessment is possible. We are having various, as far as government system is concerned, the statistics is important somewhat to learn that our computer child ratio is 1:21, which is almost unmatchable in government system. We have done lot of intervention in the field of other things, as Madam was talking about e-content. One of the speakers was saying that, and BRAC system, we have learned that lot of e-content has also been developed by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Our teachers from last 2.5 years, we are working on that, and a lot of e-content has been developed offline and online. It is available to the children. And KBS is one of the associate with the initiatives taken by the Ministry of HRD. NCRT is going to have a online portal for e-content, a repository for all the e-content which is available in the form of digital content. And on 13th August, I hope that portal will be inaugurated and the e-content will be available for every one of us that can be used in our e-classrooms. So we are taking this journey of the ICT into a big way. Recently, we have taken another initiative, employability of the children, that most of the even college level people are feeling that employability is an issue. Our children they are qualified, but they are not employable. So with that idea, KBS has taken a noble step of providing our student the training on animation and designing softwares from classes 6th to 9th in our SUPW periods. Our children will be learning these softwares and will be getting a certification also from Autodesk. Our teachers are being trained because one of the biggest challenges is this, as already has been said over here, that we are the digital migrant, and most of our teachers are not that much friendly with the technology. But in case of KBS, I am happy to say that most of our teachers are actually taking initiatives, and we are also investing a lot of time and energy and money over teachers training, and that is in collaborations with various other private partners like Microsoft, Adobe, Autodesk, and Intel and other things. So regular training programs are also going on in KBS to take this ICT initiatives into the deeper details. So I hope I have spoken enough about initiatives taken by the KBS, and we also feel proud that we are trying to make the journey of our 10 lakh, more than 10 lakh children in the school a memorable journey. Their experience of the schooling will definitely not be far behind with anyone. So with these words, I thank you all for giving me a patient hearing. Thank you.